If you are new to my channel, my name is OHEMAA. Welcome. If you are a returning friend, hey. Listen, I got a comment under my page that somebody doesn't like that I say hey and I do my magic fingers. So if you're one of those people, this channel is not for you. Please exit, unsubscribe, block me, whatever you must do, okay? That's fine. Anyway, today we're doing a get ready with me because mama is finally about to leave the house with her whole family. Yes, okay? So I started out with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream so I can moisturize my skin. Then I went in with the Shein dupe for the Hydro Grip Primer. Now, because I know that I wanted to go in with a powder, I went ahead and dried it down. That way it can be fully dried before I go in with my color corrector. After color corrector, I dried it down a little bit, and now I'm going in with my setting powder to set everything so that it can stay down. Because I was going to an event, I needed to make sure that my base was gonna stay in place and it was gonna be pretty. I'm going in with Polite Society's foundation. This is the brand new viral girl on the block. I'm gonna do a specific video about this, doing a wear test. Of course, today's wear is also a wear test, but I'm gonna do an actual video so you guys can see some swatches and I'll tell you about it. But this is what the deepest shade looks like on my skin tone. It's a damn near perfect match for me. We also finally got our Fenty concealer PR in, and I went in with the shade, wrong shade, but I made it work. I should have chose a deeper shade. You guys know that I don't like using concealers that are too light for my skin tone, but of course it was already on, so we're gonna make it work. I'm blending it in with one of these Juno & Co sponges. I don't think these sponges are available anymore. I will find it if I can, but it's kind of fuzzy. It blends really nicely. It feels amazing on the skin, and it doesn't absorb a lot of products. I really like it. But this concealer, I'm gonna do a specific video about this as well. But it's very blendable, very light. The shade I used was very light, and you can see that it spreads very, very nicely. To get rid of the lines on the sides of your face, you're just gonna go in with the tool that you use to apply your foundation, and you're gonna use that to blend the edges out. For me, it was the underbelly of the sponge, and that's what I used to blend the edges so it's nice and smooth. I'm going to use the other pointy side of the sponge to apply my setting powder. This is the OG Ben Nye Nutmeg setting powder. Or if nutmeg is too light for you, definitely go in with chestnut. I have both. Nutmeg gives me a brighter look. Chestnut gives me a more skin tone look. I love them both. So I'm just going to go ahead and set and also go ahead and bake. We're using the Juvia's Place Quad Face Quad for our contour. And we're using the Juvia's Place blush too. Well, this blush always shocks me. We're using the blush duo on our face. Because of my outfit, I wanted to go ahead and just make my blush as intense as possible because I wasn't planning on doing any eyeshadow look. I was going to use the blush, so I wanted to make the blush like really prominent. Next, I go and fill in my brows with my favorite brow pencil, Fenty Brow MVP. If my brows are snatched, 99% of the time it's going to be the Fenty Brow MVP. Going in to cancel out the depth on my eyes with a little bit of eye primer and also a little bit of concealer. I just blend it in and I go ahead and set it with my nutmeg setting powder because I wasn't planning on doing any eyeshadow looks today. I'm going back in to brush off the excess powder. Then I'm taking the blush to kind of connect my cheek blush to my eye so that the pink can just flow from the eye to the cheek. I wanted a little bit of a wing and also so that it can help my lashes look really good. So I did like a very small liner with the NYX liner. Now Polite Society also has mascara, and this is what the mascara looks like on me. It is really, really beautiful. Dark skin finishing powders are very rare, like literally a dime a dozen. So I'm using the bottom of my blending sponge to blend everything in because I don't have a good finishing powder. Next, we're going in with this Kiss Muses lashes, and I'm lining my lips with that e.l.f. Dark Cocoa liner. This is that liner that I showed you in my previous e.l.f. video. I really like it because it gives me like a skin tone shade without overtaking or overpowering my lips. Going in with this Polite Society gloss. It is a plumping gloss, so it's going to give you that tingly sensation that you usually get with plumping products. Going in with this Morphe Prep and Set Mist. It's beautiful, just gorgeous radiance. Once again, no finishing powder, so the butt of the sponge it is. Next, we're going in with this Jacqueline highlighter. My secret is I have been loving the Jacqueline products. I've been loving her highlighter, her lip oils, absolutely beautiful, moisturizing, and stunning. Okay, next we're gonna go into my outfit. I picked up this skirt from Naked, NA-KD. I really love it. Beautiful, flowy, weighted skirt. And I'm wearing this tank top that I got from Zara. On top of it, this really gorgeous acrylic pink sweater that I picked up from ASOS. It's a little bit bigger on me, and I don't like how sweaters look on me. So I saw this trick on Instagram where you use a hair tie to tie the sides of your sweaters, and then you tuck them in so it could give you that cropped fitted look without you needing like a really tight sweater or without you needing a cropped sweater. This can also help you like wear your sweaters in different ways. So that's how I wore the sweater, and I think I really like what it looks like. Of course, Belle needs to come and check out what I'm doing. I also picked up these kitten heels from Naked, and Belle decided to show you her outfit. We're doing all pink. Everybody's in pink, so that's what we decided to do. Of course, Ohena is getting ready, and he's doing a pink suit set that I picked up from ASOS along with the shoes, also from ASOS. And I think his shirt, his watch is from I can't pronounce it. Boulevard, Bulgari, one of those brands. The boys are wearing pink shirts from Amazon, and their shoes are from DSW. Of course, Professor doesn't want to do this, and Xander is a natural. My little sister is wearing a pink set from Amazon. The bag is from Primark, and I'm going in with my Versace and Valentino accessories. I did a stack with my watch, but I forgot. Oh, it was the Valentino bracelet. I forgot to show you. We're doing the pink Coach Tabby, the Kayali lychee fragrance mixed with this pistachio. Honey, it is a combo made in heaven. This is mommy and daddy. We were looking cute. Okay, let me know down below in the comments what you think about the makeup, what you think about the outfits. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.